Good morning everyone. Today we are discussing about singular and plural. Grammar, my English grammar, singular and plural. Singular and plural. What is singular? What is plural? Singular. Singular means one. See example singular and plural. For example, we take pen. Pen is a singular. Pen is a singular. We add s to the pen. Here pens. Pen means one pen. Singular means only one. Singular means only one. This one pen or pencil or anything one. We have one, that is a singular form. We take singular form pen or one book. Okay, pen or one book. Duster. Examples, pen. This is singular form. Means only one pen or one book or one chair, one duster or anything one we have, that is a singular. Next, we add s to these pens. Pens is a plural. Pens is a plural form. Pens means one kante ekkuva, okadani kante ekkuva. Books. See, here we have one book. One book means singular form. 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 x. One kante ekku unte vatni emantaru plural. Okay, one kante ekku unte vatni emantaru plural. One have means singular. One means singular. Only one we have means that is singular. Book is a singular form. Books means one kante ekkuva. 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 any one kante ekkuva ennunna vatni books antaru. It is a plural form. Okay, it is a plural form. Next, chair. Chair is a singular form. Only one chair. Here chairs. Chairs means one kante ekkuva. Okay, one kante ekku ennunna vatni emantaru plural form. Singular means only one. It is a singular. One kante ekku ennunna vatni emantaru plural. Dusters. Okay, singular form and plural. Today we are discussing about singular and plural. Singular means that we have one. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. Plural is more than one. One kante ekku ennunna vatni plural form antaru. More than one. Singular means only one. Only one we have singular. More than one, it is a plural form. Pen, singular form. Pens means more than one. 2 or 3 or 4 or 100 anything it is a plural form. We call pens. It is a plural form. Books is a plural form. Book is a singular form. Means only one book. Books means more than one. It is a plural form. Chairs. Dusters. Okay, singular and plural. Singular means one. Only one we have. We call it singular. More than one, it is a plural. Next, this and that. This and that. Already you know this and that. See ma, this means which is near to us, which is near to us, that we call this. Which is far to us, we call that. Okay, which is far to us, we call that. దగ్గరగా ఉంటే మనం this is a అంటాము, దూరంగా ఉంటే that is a. Okay, first one, this is a ball. This is a ball. దగ్గరగా ఉంది కాబట్టి that is a ball, దూరంగా. Okay, this and that, this is used for what? To a person or place or thing that is near to us. మనకు దగ్గరగా ఉంటే this అంటాము, అదే దూరంగా ఉంటే that అంటాము. This is a ball, మనకు దగ్గరగా ఉంటే this is a chalk. This is a chalk. Okay, this is a chalk. That is a board. That is a board, మనకు దగ్గరగా ఉంటే this అంటాము, దూరంగా ఉంటే that. Okay, this is a chalk. నాకు దగ్గరగా ఉంది కాబట్టి this is a chalk, దూరంగా ఉంది కాబట్టి board, that is a board. Okay, this and that, this మన దగ్గరగా ఉంటే ప్లేస్, ఏ ప్లేస్ అయినా పర్సన్ అయినా థింగ్ అయినా మనకు దగ్గరగా ఉంటే this అంటాము, దూరంగా ఉంటే that అంటాము. ఓకే, see examples. This is an apple. That is a pen. Okay, this, that, this and this means what a person or thing or place that is near to us. మనకు దగ్గరగా ఉంటే ఏమంటాము this అంటాము, దూరంగా ఉంటే that, మనకంటే కొంచెం దూరంగా ఉంటే that అంటాము. Okay, so this is a ball. That is a ball. This is an apple. That is a pen. Examples. Okay, this and that. Today we will learn about singular and plural. Singular means one. ఏదైనా ఒకటి ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటాము సింగులర్. వన్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటే ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్, వన్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటే ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్. అండ్ దిస్ అండ్ దట్, దిస్ మీన్స్ దగ్గరగా ఉంటే, మనకు దగ్గరగా ఉంటే ఏమంటాము దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ చాక్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ చాక్. దూరంగా ఉంటే ఏమంటాము దట్ ఈజ్ ఏ బోర్డు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ పెన్ ఆర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ బుక్. ఓకే, దూరంగా ఉంటే దట్ ఈజ్ ఏ స్టిక్ ఆర్ దట్ ఈజ్ ఏ బోర్డ్, లైక్ దట్. ఓకే, దగ్గరగా ఉంటే దిస్ అంటాము, దూరంగా ఉంటే దట్ అంటాము. ఓకే, టుడే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ టుడే అమ్మా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.